Hey, welcome in room 209 in the Fairfield Inn in San Antonio, Texas. All right, let's get started over here with our bathroom. It has a separate sink area, nice little area there. For the rest of the bathroom, you have your toilet and it's a bathtub with a shower. Got the soaps and things over there, right?
Yep.
Back out here, you got your little area for your clothes, your suitcase, right? Iron board, iron. And into the room, we have 2 queen size beds here. You have, it's not really a full length mirror, but it shows your whole body, so it's pretty good. What's this? There's a hook here. Okay. To hang clothes, I guess. Night table with your lamp, your clock, of course. There's a drawer with your Bibles in it. Drawer. That's a nice size drawer. So you have 2 of them here. Good size television. Your desk. Looks like your desk is movable, so you can pull it out. Yep. Chair is comfy. With your lamp. And your outlets, you have 1, 2, 3, like 4 outlets here. I don't see a USB port up there. Microwave and refrigerator. Gotta open this here. Chilly. And our view. This is another hotel over there. So we're in downtown San Antonio, and this is the Fairfield Inn. Supposedly near the Riverwalk, but we'll find out tomorrow when we do some exploring. Bye.